Hello, beautiful soul. Did you know, I'll bet you did, that crystals do more than look beautiful and raise the vibe in your home or your home office? Being able to know which crystal, which mineral or new age stone is the right one in that moment. And yes, there's overlap between what they do, what they can help you do. And sometimes, most of the time, one crystal or a combinations of crystals, like pairing them together, will get you out of and into more of what it is you want to do with your own vibration, your thoughts, clarity, fine-tuning and developing your own intuitive skills and gifts, and so much more. You can even walk by your crystals and get a feel for which one wants to work with you on a specific issue or challenge or clear a block or help you get tuned up vibrationally so that you can get to recognize and easily understand the guidance, messages, nudges, and insights that you're already getting. That's just one of the things that we're going to be doing, showing you how and working with you during our Crystal Vibes half-day virtual retreat, which is happening on Saturday, August 10th, and you want to be there. Because why crystals help you, why I want to share this with you, is so that you get the most out of them. And here's one of my absolute favorites. This is my Lemurian seed crystal. Isn't he amazingly gorgeous? Well, more about that later. You can get a free ticket when you purchase $100 or more through our Etsy shop. Any item, crystals, anything. The retreat itself is $147 or 2 payments of $97. So by purchasing anything in our shop, you're already saving $50. I don't know about you, but getting more crystals and saving money and then learning about them even more, you can bring you know to the virtual retreat, because we're going to be doing this by video. You can bring your favorites and say, okay, how do I work with this one? What can this one help me do besides the common, most general information that's available? And we'll be able to help you with that. I'm so excited. Okay, if you have any questions, message me. And do let your friends know about this. We have lots of crystal lovers out there, and I know I'm one. Have an amazing day, beautiful soul.